Back to that shoulder width position. Knees slightly bent, everything relaxed, palms face down. We're going to make the circle with the right hand. This is waving hands like clouds exercise. We're going to switch with the left. Good. Now we alternate the right and the left. The right and the left. The right and the left. Very good. So one thing before we do this with the body turn, I just want to point out, when I'm doing this exercise with the body turn, you notice that both hands travel with the body. So I'm not doing this, where this hand's down, and I'm also not doing this, where I leave that hand over there, right? So the way that your hips start, you pick up the right and turn to the right, the other arm just goes with the body. We put the right down. Kind of sweeping across the counter. Pick up the right, turn to the right. Pick up the left, turn to the left. Pick up left, turn to the left. Very good.